We're now going to take a look at how we survey a building. In other words, how do we go and find all the information we require during a walk around or a building survey. We need to gather all the relevant information and apply that information to our workload. The more information we get on that building, the more accurate our workload is going to be. So firstly, let's have a look at developing the cleaning specification and the facility survey. So when we walk around the building, we need to find how much, how many of each item there is to be cleaned. How dirty is the building? Is it clean? Is it dirty? What's the density of the building? Are there a lot of people on some floors? Are there not many people on other floors? We need to find out all this information because it's going to be very important to A, the type of cleaning task that we apply to a particular area, and B, the frequency of that cleaning task. So the facility survey is very important. The more we ask and the more information we gather, the more accurate our workload. The other thing we need to do is break down our daily cleaning from our periodic cleaning. So when we workload a building, essentially we're going to have two components. We're going to have the daily cleaning specification, and then we're going to have a separate specification for all the periodic cleaning. So we've discussed this briefly in the previous section. When we take a look at the building, we need to group things together by common floor surface. So areas that are carpeted will obviously all have common vacuuming tasks. Areas that are hard floor will obviously all have common hard floor tasks. But that will vary depending on the size of the area. For example, if you've got a small kitchenette with a small hard floor, you're obviously going to clean that with a mop and a bucket, compared to having large areas of hard floors to clean, where you might use auto scrubbers and different types of machinery. So it's very important to gather the type of information you need and the different types of equipment you'll be using, because where you're using different sorts of equipment on a hard floor, those areas should be broken out into separate costings. Measuring the building. Well, hopefully with most of your cleaning specifications, it's going to come with a fairly accurate measurement of the size of the areas you'll be cleaning. If you're cleaning a high-rise office, typically every floor is going to have roughly the same square meterage. Every bathroom on every floor is going to be the same size. So once you measure a particular floor, you've roughly got the same size for every other floor. However, it's very important not to assume they're all the same, because different floors may have different fit outs, they may have different fixtures and fittings. Some may be open plan, some may be individual offices with partitioned glass. So it's very important when you walk around to review each floor of a building, even in a high-rise building. So again, the more information you can gather, the better. The more accurate the information you gather, the more accurate your workload. So once we gather all that information, we're now on to section 4. We now need to put a cleaning cost together for a particular type of building or a particular area within a building. So in the next video, we're now going to start to look at our spreadsheets and how we use a spreadsheet to cost a building based on using a particular variety of tasks with a particular frequency. Thank you.